Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to Canva. I've already logged into my Canva account, and from the home screen, the first thing you want to do is click on your profile icon. From there, select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look on the left-hand side and click on Personal, Billing, and Plans. This is where you manage your subscription and payment details. Here, you'll see a purple link that says Add a Payment Method. Click on that to continue. Adding a payment method allows you to buy premium images, graphics, and other Canva assets for around $1 each. Now you can choose how you want to pay. You can either select credit or debit card or PayPal. If you go with a card, Canva will ask for your card number, expiration date, security code, and your billing address. If you choose PayPal, you can simply connect your PayPal account and you'll be billed through that instead. That's all there is to it. Your payment method will be added and ready to use in Canva. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!